All right, so the next thing you want to make sure of with your knife, whether you're hunting or in a survival situation or whatever, any knife that you're taking into the bush needs to be a full tang knife. What that means is that the blade goes all the way through the handle. Now, granted, it's not sharp through the handle, but the metal that the blade is carved out of, that is forged out of, goes the whole length of the handle all the way to the pommel or the butt. Again, we're looking here at the U.S. Marine Corps fighting knife. This is a full tang blade. The metal goes all the way through. The reason this is important is you'll see a lot of Rambo style survival knives that are partial tang or the blade is just welded onto the handle. In a situation like that, they tend to break easily. Same with a partial tang knife, it'll break easily, especially if you're doing something hardcore. So you want a full tang knife, that way it goes all the way through the handle, and if by some odd miracle your handle breaks, take your parachute cord, wrap it around that tang, and you've got yourself a knife that you can still continue using even though the handle's broken. So again, the USMC fighting blade, full tang. My Becker BK2, also full blade, as you can see on this one, because it's going all the way through and here to the butt end. Look at the larger BK7. Once again, it's a full tang blade. The tang of the blade goes all the way through the handle. The handle is actually attached to either side of the tang. And my Gerber LMF2. This one, the handle is wrapped all the way around the tang, but it is still a full tang blade. If I took the handle apart, I would see the tang of that knife going all the way to the butt end. And finally, my fall kniving. Again, it's a full tang. I can actually see the end of the tang right here. All right, so remember, go with full tang. If you have a partial tang knife, it's prone to break. If you've got a Rambo style knife where the blade is just welded onto the handle, that's really going to break on you. All right, so bear that in mind.